Calipeños. We are the Group 5, and we are going to present the Multimedia and ICT in 21st century. Let's go!
So, what exactly is multimedia and ICT? Let's talk about it.
Hi! In this video, let me introduce you ICT or Information and Communication Technologies.
Hi, I'm Philip, and let me introduce to you the multimedia. What is multimedia? Multimedia is the use of computer to present and combine text, audio, graphics, and video with link. The example of multimedia is text, audio, video, image, and tools that let the user navigate, interact, and create and communicate.
Better problem solving. Help solve a problem more effectively. Enhancing engagement makes experience more interactive and interesting.
Number 3. Highlight find positive emotions. It creates a positive feelings. Number 4. Improve retention. It makes information to easier and easy to remind.